morning guys, it's day 4 here in Costa Rica. We're at a place called Playas del Coco, which I think means coconut beaches. We arrived here last night and we actually spent the night at the beach yesterday. Really nice beach here. We're going to be heading to another beach today, but I'll probably quickly show you this beach because it's pretty unique. A very different beach than I've been to before. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, exploring some more beaches and maybe still go to a waterfall nearby. Hola gringos. So here we are at Playas del Coco, and the reason I said it was like unique for me is because it's a black beach and I've never seen black sand before. I've been to a lot of beaches, but it was always like yellow or white sand, so yeah, quite interesting seeing black sand. There you go, black sand. It's actually really soft as well. It's also really nice because all the way behind me you have all this like green vegetation, green palm trees and trees, and it just seems like because the sand's black, this green seems to like be more striking, like pop out more or something. So yeah, it's just very cool here. So like I said, this is where we spent the afternoon yesterday. The water was like really nice and warm, but today we're gonna be heading to another beach just a bit down the coast. Some guy told us that it's a really nice beach, so that's where we're gonna head now. Okay, we're now at the second beach. So this beach is called Playa Ocotal, and as you can see, the sand is like even darker than the last beach we were at. It's like pitch black. I guess a lot of the beaches around here are black sand, but it's pretty cool. There's barely anybody here. We kind of got it to ourselves. We're probably going to head further down there because as you can see here, this is all rock. All this here in front of Carol. That's weird, right? That there's all this rock. Yeah. And it's so strange. So I just came to the end of the beach here and we can actually see a boat over there. It seemed to enter a cave, so yeah, we're gonna try and walk over there and see where the boat enters. Really nice here, you got super clear water as well. There's the boat I was talking about. So this was the cave that the boat was going into. Check all the crabs. Come on, crabs. Seems to be a cave that goes all the way underneath the rock. Whoa. Hey Carol, you want to get in the bath? No, I'm gonna get in. Hey, you got a cool little bath.
I saw some fishes.
What? Fish. Some fish in there? Yeah, nice. So that guy was American and he's been living here in Costa Rica for 10 years. I mean, that guy's just living the dream. Imagine having this kind of place every single day. Plus 2 amazing dogs. Those dogs are so beautiful. So now we come to the end of the beach, the other end, and we're actually gonna go in the water now and just chill out. Oh, it's so nice and warm, the ocean here. Perfect. It's really warm, right?
Yeah. Let's go outside.
Yeah. Yeah, so the temperature of the water is just like complete perfection. It's so awesome. So I'm actually gonna get my drone out now. This is like a really good spot to fly it. I haven't flown it much here in Costa Rica because none of the national parks let you fly drones, but yeah, this place is calling for it. We're heading out of the beach now, guys. This is the kind of beach where you'd want to spend the whole day, but since we're leaving tomorrow, we've got to start making our way inland to San Jose. But yeah, definitely check out this beach if you just want a quiet beach. Apparently it's really good for snorkeling as well. So Playa Ocotal. And now, since we're making our way inland, we are actually going to pass by some place with cool waterfalls. The waterfalls kind of look different to the ones we've been visiting so far, so that's where we're heading now. We have arrived at the waterfall now. It's called Llanos de Cortes waterfall, and the cool thing about this one is there isn't much of a hike to get there, apparently just a few steps, because I really wasn't in a mood for hiking after yesterday. So let's see how this waterfall looks. So this was basically the first waterfall that we've been allowed to swim in, so that was good. And yeah, it just looks great once again. I think all the waterfalls here look great or something. That's how it seems so far. And I forgot to mention that this place is actually $7 to enter, so yeah, pretty cheap for what you're getting. we're going to head out now. Gotta start heading back to San Jose. It's like a 3.5 hour drive. So yeah, I'm not going to be filming anymore today. That's pretty much the end, but did a lot of stuff, that's for sure. Every single day here has been amazing so far, so it's just so much to do. It's pretty crazy. So many naturally beautiful things here. So as always, if you like the video, please drop a like to help me out, and stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you then.